Today we're talking about these, the Bose QuietComfort noise canceling earbuds. These are truly wireless, active noise canceling Bluetooth 5.1 IPX4 rated earbuds with that signature Bose sound. They are terrific. And we're going to talk about a few of the technical details of the Bose QuietComfort earbuds that make them a fantastic choice for anyone looking for truly wireless, active noise canceling earbuds. Let's dig into it. First and foremost, we have what Bose is saying is the world's most effective noise canceling. And I believe this because 15 years ago, I was in a Bose store trying the first set of QuietComfort headphones. And I kept trying to beat the system because I was sure that all they were doing was turning off the airplane noise in front of me every time I put on the headphones because I couldn't believe the noise canceling was that good. And that was 15 years ago. They've come a long way since then and have always been the world leaders in this. What's cool about the QuietComfort earbuds is you can switch out of the maximum noise canceling mode, which is called quiet mode, and go into aware mode. What aware mode does is it lets you hear everything that's going on around you, but at a quieter level. So if you're in a really noisy coffee shop or you're on that airplane, you can still hear a little bit of what's going on around you, but not with it being so loud that it's distracting and taking away from your experience of listening to music or a podcast or watching a show. To build on that, you've got high-fidelity audio. Because the Bose QuietComfort earbuds are bringing that noise floor down, it allows you to hear the subtle nuances and the differences in the music or whatever audio that you're listening to. Not only that, but these QuietComfort earbuds have adaptive EQ. What this means is when you're listening at lower volumes, typically headphones lose their bass because you're not pushing them as hard. Well, the EQ changes on the QuietComfort earbuds to make it a richer, more full sound at quiet volumes. And then as you turn it up where other headphones would normally get harsh or the bass would be overpowering, they're adjusting the EQ again. So you just have that solid quality signature Bose sound at all different volume levels. For taking phone calls or video calls, Bose has put in a custom mic array system. That means they have multiple microphones in the headphones listening both to your voice but also to the noise around you so they can dynamically adjust and cut out most all of that background noise and just focus on your voice. Each earbud also has its own touch controls that are easy to use to change your music, activate your voice assistant, change up the noise canceling mode, or answer calls, all without having to pull out your phone in order to do it. We've also got an IPX4 rating on the Bose QuietComfort earbuds. And this is great because you don't have to worry about your headphones getting wrecked from sweat or light rain. But what I love is that they've done a special acoustic mesh inside the earbuds so that the sound comes out clearly without getting muffled, but the acoustic mesh is blocking out that dust and moisture from getting back into the headphones. Finally, let's talk about battery life. Up to 6 hours on a single charge. That's fantastic. Not only that, but throw them back in the case for 15 minutes and you're going to get up to about another 2 hours of charging time. Oh, and the case is Qi certified for wireless charging, so all of your Qi chargers are going to have no problem charging these without having to plug it in. Overall, Bose has done a fantastic job with the QuietComfort earbuds. The noise canceling is fantastic. They sound great. Battery life is great. You don't have to worry about them getting wet or dusty and being wrecked. There's just so many things going for them, and that's why they're a fantastic choice for anyone looking for truly wireless, active noise canceling earbuds.